Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez super bien aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui, vous allez compléter le page 35, exercice 49, page 35, exercise 49. So we've been working with the veneer and plus an indefinite article with the preposition de. So today, we're kind of focusing in on the indefinite articles, right? So when you are talking about definite articles, right? What we're talking about is le, la, les, and L apostrophe, okay? Which essentially translates to the. So in this exercise, what you're going to have to do is we're not using veneer, right? Veneer de. This is going to use the same verb for each one. So for an example, we have Christian, and this is what all of your sentences will be structured like. Subject, in this case, Christian, Christian, slash les amis de sa sœur, which is kind of like the rest of the sentence. Okay? What you need to say is Christian gives a gift to the friends of his sister. Okay? And all of them will be set up in a similar way. The only thing that will change is the subject and the end of the sentence, right? They'll all use this same construction of verb that we're talking about. So to get started, if we look at our example, we start with Christian. Voilà. Now, and this will be in the instructions as well that I'm going to post. But what you're going to do now is you're all going to use done, which is give, a cadeau, which is Christian gives a gift. And so that's the new phrase that you'll insert there. I've written it in blue. It's kind of hard to see, but that's the phrase you'll insert in there. D-O-N-N-E, donne un cadeau. So now you're saying Christian gives a gift. So whatever the subject is, this will be the verb that you use, and it'll be in this form. All of them have a singular third-person subject, so he or she. So Christian donne un cadeau. So once you have that, now you look here. So the indefinite article, right, is this, or the definite article, sorry, is this, right? In this case, it's plural, right? Singular, masculine, singular, feminine, plural, and then L apostrophe. So if it is plural, right, what you have to do is you have to say, Christian gives a gift to his friend's sister, okay? Or, yeah, his sister's friend. So I have to do this, and if you're giving something to somebody, it is a plus les. Now, if you remember, when we have a plus les, it is going to change to aux, right? So both of these disappear, and what we have left is aux. So this goes away, and now we have ami de sa sœur. Okay? So now we're saying Christian gives a gift to the friends of his sister. Okay? So again, we have to look at our article here after the slash, and that is going to inform which one you'll use. So to refresh your memory, we have a plus le equals au. A plus la equals a la. A plus les equals aux, right? And a plus L apostrophe equals a plus L apostrophe. So the only ones that really change are these two. Okay, oops. Well, comme ça. So a plus le is au. A plus la is a la, stays the same essentially. A plus les changes to aux. And a plus L apostrophe remains a L apostrophe. So that is the example for that one. Okay, let's say you have something like, let's get rid of this. So let's say you have the subject of Luc slash l'ami comme ça. So this means friend, right? So you're saying Luc gives a gift to the friend. So we start with my subject, Luc, and then we would have donne. So Luc gives a gift, cadeau. And then here we have l'apostrophe as our definite article. Okay. Now, if you remember back to the rules, if it's l'apostrophe, we would say Luc donne un cadeau à l'ami. You don't really have to change it. You're just putting that preposition à to the friend. Okay. À means to. So Luc donne un cadeau à l'ami. C'est facile. Easy. Now, if you have a plus le, right? So let's say our subject is Marie. Comme ça, slash le père de son cousin. Okay, which is the father of her cousin. Okay, so if you have this and you want to say Marie gives a gift to the father of her cousin, I would say Marie donne un cadeau. Marie gives a gift. So then again, I'm looking here. It's le, which is masculine singular. So if you have a plus le, it becomes o. Like that. Père de son ami. De son cousin. So Marie gives a gift to the father of her cousin. Okay? So that's all you have to do, right? You'll have a subject, a slash, and then you'll have a definite article. So you'll be saying to the, okay? These will all be a plus le. And in the document, I'm going to put that little chart where it's like a plus le, a plus la, a plus o, etc. Okay, so there's only 5 of these. We already did the example together. Let's do number 1 together so you have that. So this is number 1 for this exercise 49. So it's going to be Sabine, and you can do this with me. Sabine, which is a feminine singular name. And then la meilleure amie de son père. So this is how your number 1 will go, or your sentence number 1. Sabine slash la meilleure de son père. So Sabine and then the best friend of her father. So her father's best friend. So we take my subject, Sabine. I insert my give a gift. Again, they will all use this. Donne un cadeau. Gives a gift. Now, again, I'm looking here. I have la. Okay? So I want to say to the best friend of her father. So if it's a plus la, it just remains a la. So I've inserted this preposition a, and I retain this definite article of la. A la, and then I just write the rest. Meilleur ami de son père. Comme ça. So Sabine gives a gift to the best friend of her father. This sentence tells us a few things. It tells us that the best friend is female because we have la meilleure amie. Oops, forgot my I on or E on the end because it's feminine, right? Ooh, c'est pas bon. Voilà. So that's your number 1. It should be like this. Okay, so then you do 2, 3, 4, and 5, but make sure you include this one as well. Alors, you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask me. And a bientôt.